So you've grown your business from heat pressing and vinyl cutting. Now you need to consider large format printing to up your game. And the only way you can do that is looking at the brilliant options from AM with their large format printers. Come with me to the demonstration room and I'll show you. Even though the bulk of AM's machines are stored at the warehouse, we do make considerable use of the demonstration room here at Landford. Now, the fast color large format printer from AM comes in various configurations that give you the ability to do normal printing, sublimation printing, and UV printing. Now, let's start off with normal printing. The basics of this fast color large format printer are as follows. An XP600 head comes with a take-up roller for all the media to be rolled up without it touching the floor. It also comes with a heat and dry bar which will dry the media as it's printing. This also comes with a front and back heat element built into the machine, as well as the suction to hold down the media as it's printing. And if you come with me, I'll show you the bulk ink tank system at the back of the machine. With each configuration of this machine, you have a choice of doing sublimation ink, ECO-Solvent ink, and water-based ink. And all of those can be poured into our bulk ink tank system, making it very easy for you to use, no cartridges and no wasting money. But what if you wanted to use the fast color large format printer as a UV printer? Well, this is your solution. When buying one of these fast color large format printers from AM, you have a choice of choosing which ink you use. In this case, we're talking about the UV printer. This UV printer comes with an XP600 head, a take-up roller, and the most important thing, the UV lamp. The UV lamp is there just to make sure that as the printer is printing, the UV lamp instantly cures the ink so that you can use the vinyl or the substrate that you printed on instantly without worrying about it smudging. Instantly dry. That is why the UV lamp is so important with the UV printer. As it prints, it instantly cures the ink for you to use it immediately after it's finished printing. Now, what if you wanted to print on harder substrates such as wood, metal, plexiglass, and so on? Well, the pinch rollers wouldn't help you whatsoever. But you can definitely make use of the flatbed tables from AM, exclusive to AM only, to help you with this.
The UV printer has tables that can be added to the printer, which is quite handy if you're printing on large surfaces, such as signboards or so on. Or if you just want to print on normal vinyl, as in this project, the tables can be moved away easily and you have all the space in front and at the back. And sometimes when the material is cut off, the tables can be used to place the materials on a surface where you know it won't damage. So the tables are quite handy for that as well.
And then there's sublimation printing. Remember the desktop inkjet printer that we used for sublimation heat pressing? Well, if you had one of these babies, you could do so much more. Think of bulk, large scale, bigger things, doing t-shirts, doing blankets, doing whatever you can think of to do sublimation on material. Just remember, if you want to change the ink that you currently have to either Sublimation, ECO, UV or water-based, I would highly recommend using AM's technical support team to do so. And that covers our three main components for the printing industry: heat pressing, vinyl cutting, and large format printing. And just remember, you can always see more instructional videos on sorted.co.za, and you can always call sales on 060 600 6000. And in the next episode, we will be concentrating on what AM has to offer in the laser industry. Until then, keep on learning and keep on working.